Did you see that? Did you see that? Those are snowflakes. Oh my goodness, yay! We forecast 1 to 2 inches of snow here in eastern Massachusetts. Instead, it's been raining just south of Boston. Been a frustrating season. Not that the weather's boring. We had all that record snow in the west in December, and since then we've had 2 bombogenesis storms go off or through New England. We had winds from the north and just missing a snowstorm on Cape Cod. Friday it was raining instead. I spent the next morning in Brewster on the beach with Tim Ellis. That was fun, watching the surf and people trying to brave the wind, which was gusting past 55 miles an hour Saturday morning. And that was cold air coming into northern New England. It was a frigid ski weekend, although Sunday turned really nice with that sunshine. And then Monday, what did it do? It rained again here, which is not bad if you like ice skating. We did manage to get on the pond in Norwell on Sunday and have some skating going on, a little hockey. It was cold enough, just cold enough, that the ice depth was actually, the ice thickness was 6 inches. I cut a hole in it and measured it. That's what I'm doing. My ski pass, as you know, has been pulled. So I'm doing skating and I'm just buying my time. I think good things are ahead, but every time it looks like it's about to snow in a few days, it changes. Although one storm, finally, the first boot-topping snowstorm of 2022 did come through northern New England. That was on Monday. Yeah, it was a mix all the way up to about Mount Snow to Sunday River. North of that, it was a good 10 to 15, and then Jay Peak and some of those northern mountains actually got a little bit of a backlash with some upslope on Tuesday. Thank you, Josh Worth, for sharing this, and Eric, all my reporters up from Jay Peak, where now the air is white in northern New England. Why is it white? Not necessarily because it's snowing, because new Arctic air is coming in here on this Thursday afternoon, and it's going to be fairly windy for Friday and kind of cold. But then Saturday, even though it's Arctic air, the wind is going to let up, and it looks pretty nice. The most widespread, deepest snow we've had here in the east so far. And there was a forecast of another system trying to clip us on Saturday, but now that one looks like it wants to go out to sea, almost like a wayward polar vortex coming in here. You do see some blue along the coast there on the Saturday forecast map. That high pressure system right over us means the light wind, starting off at 20 below, getting up to about 0, but the sun should be out. And then on Sunday, we start to warm it up again, and it looks like really nice weather, but it may get windy from the south. Then another clipper Tuesday, Wednesday. The clippers can deliver, if you especially get a coastal redevelopment. Every time it looks like we're supposed to get a storm next week, something happens. Here's our 10-day snowfall map, and it goes away. Look at that hole right in the middle of the snowfall map, right in the middle of New England. More snow over Virginia again, and North Carolina, all the way down to New Mexico. But here in the east, it's kind of skimpy. Head south for the snow, but the ski areas are in pretty good shape now. The ones that have been so aggressive in snow making, congratulations on 100% open this week at Jay. I think Pat's Peak, 100% open. So we've got some pretty good glade skiing, but we really could use a couple more feet. Right now, it's just sort of looking cold and dry for the weekend and into next week, but it's not boring. Here are a few highlights from what happened in my weather world over the last couple of weeks. We'll see you at the shore or on the slopes. Or maybe on YouTube. I think I have to get more subscribers on YouTube. What do you say? How about a subscription?
Not really sure why, but the ice is a lot better at Jacob's Pond than it is at Whitman's Pond. A lot smoother. Not sure. Maybe more shallow water. Oh. Beautiful day. There's the leading edge of the snowstorm that hit Georgia this morning. It's going to be rain here. A little Zamboni effect for our ponds. Snow ruins the ice. Not gonna happen this time.
No, put it in back in the cage. It's not. I was on the dock yesterday. Oh yeah, that's good.
You guys are part beaver, man. That was awesome. Unbelievable.